Hey guys, welcome to Outdoorman. I'm Brad, your host. Thanks for joining me. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today's going to be a short video about putting a trailer jack on my boat trailer. Finally, just got a little boat trailer for the little tin boat, and I've never ever had a jack on it. It's a custom-made utility trailer. It's a stainless steel one, and the guy who made it, it's very balanced. You can pick it up with 2 fingers. He did a great job, but I like to put it down sometimes, and I've never been able to do that. So today, we just got a very cheap, very simple, quick video about how to install one of these suckers. I've never done that, but it seems pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. So this is the little trailer here. One of a few projects that's been done to it and needs to be done to it. So we're gonna try to mount this here between that and that. So let's open this package up. Quick snip. Hardware. And some papers. I'm going to think it goes a smooth side to your trailer frame. We'll get some of our hardware ready. Turn this jack. That's better. Just open it up like that. I think I'm actually going to get the impact. I didn't realize how much play these were going to have. Get our adapter. Make sure you wear eye protection if you're going to do this. Especially when you use the cheapest adapters you can buy. I'm going to start with the top. Nothing's getting tightened yet. All right, we're getting close. I'm going to center it right where we want it. And get it to put itself in position. Right there. That's exactly where we want it. So get that wrench back on here. Not all the way. Still want to kind of go easy. This one has a long way to go. Make sure we're happy where it's at, and then we'll tighten the top ones. Make sure you're watching when you're tightening them, and you're not pulling it away. You want to make sure that it's squared up. You want to make sure it's sitting nicely where you want it. See how it's kind of on the frame? Squared up nice, and you want to make sure that these go square and they don't get all goofy, because they're so long they'll get all goofy on you. So just watch, take your time. You don't have to go crazy tight. And at this point of the game, I'm actually going to switch it up and go by hand, just so I can actually feel how tight things are getting. Just using an extension so I don't get everything caught all up in here. On this one. Okay. There you have it. That's it, that's all. Give this a crank. Put that to the side. And now we don't need this bucket. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? It has been a minute. It has been a minute. Nice. This is definitely something the average person can tackle. Something you can take on in a quick afternoon with some hand tools. Come along. Nice little trailer. There we have it. Quick and easy. Something you can take on in an afternoon. Do it yourself with some hand tools. Very simple task. I've been putting that off for a couple years now. And here we are 15 minutes later and it's done. So if you like stuff like this, please like, subscribe, follow along. There's lots to come. I'm an outdoor man. I'm outside all the time. Projects from here to there, sea to sky, and everything in between. So I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great day. Thanks very much. See you on the next one.